When considering a bathroom renovation or a new build, the choice of shower tile is pivotal. Shower tiles are not just a practical element, but a statement of style and durability. Shower tiles offer durability, design variety, and water resistance, enhancing aesthetics and home value. However, they come with higher initial costs and require maintenance, especially for grout, which can harbor mold if not properly cared for. Deciding whether or not to purchase shower tiles can be challenging, but this guide is meant to make that choice easier. Importance of choosing the right tile. Selecting the right tile for your shower is a critical decision that affects not only the appearance of your bathroom, but also its functionality and durability over time. The importance of this choice cannot be overstated, as it influences maintenance requirements, safety, overall bathroom aesthetics, and even the value of your home. Pros of shower tile. Choosing the right tile for your shower is not just about aesthetics. It's a decision that impacts your bathroom's longevity, maintenance, and overall functionality. Durability and longevity. One of the most compelling benefits of shower tiles is their durability. Tiles made from materials like porcelain or ceramic are incredibly resilient and can withstand the daily wear and tear of bathroom activities. Variety in design and aesthetics. Shower tiles offer unparalleled versatility in design. Whether you envision a sleek, modern look or a cozy, traditional ambiance, there's a tile to fit every vision. Water and moisture resistance. A critical advantage of shower tiles is their inherent resistance to water and moisture. Bathrooms are high humidity environments, and materials that can withstand constant exposure to water without deteriorating are essential. Easy maintenance and cleaning. Compared to other shower surface materials, tiles are relatively easy to maintain. Routine cleaning with simple soap and water can keep tiles looking new for years. Eco-friendly options. For environmentally conscious homeowners, many tile options are made from natural, sustainable materials. Ceramic and porcelain tiles, for instance, are often made from clay, a plentiful resource, and can be recycled. Adds value to your home. Installing high-quality tiles in your shower can also increase the overall value of your home. Bathrooms are a key selling point in real estate, and a beautifully tiled shower can be a significant attraction for potential buyers. Cons of shower tile. While shower tiles offer numerous benefits, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks before deciding. Initial cost and installation complexity. One of the significant downsides of choosing shower tiles is the initial cost, especially if you opt for high-end materials like natural stone. Slip hazard and comfort. Tiles, particularly when wet, can become slippery, posing a safety risk in the shower. Moreover, tiles can feel cold to the touch, which may be uncomfortable for some individuals. Grout maintenance and mold growth. Although the tiles themselves are durable and easy to clean, the grout between the tiles can present maintenance challenges. Limited repair options. If a tile cracks or becomes damaged, repair options can be limited, while individual tiles can sometimes be replaced. Finding an exact match years after the initial installation can be difficult. Environmental impact. While there are eco-friendly tile options, the production of certain types of tiles can have a significant environmental impact. Evaluating shower tile. Deciding whether shower tile is the right choice for your bathroom comes down to balancing the benefits against the potential drawbacks and considering your specific needs and preferences.